Let me ask you something. Well, let's be real. Life isn't always kind. It's not always fair. And it doesn't always give warnings before it hits you with something that shakes your world. Some days it feels like everything's falling apart, your plans, your peace, your purpose. And you start asking, why me? When will it get better? Am I really strong enough to keep going? But when life gets hard, remember this. You've made it through every hard day you didn't think you could. Every moment you thought would break you, didn't. Every time you felt lost, tired, overwhelmed, you kept waking up. You kept going. You're still here. And that alone, that means you got more strength in you than you realize, because life will test you. It will stretch you. It will convince you that you're not enough, that you're falling behind, and that it's too late. But hear me. Hard moments don't mean you're failing. They mean you're growing. They mean you're in the middle of something that's building you into a stronger version of yourself. See, growth isn't always pretty. Sometimes it feels like breaking. But what if the version of you on the other side of this pain is the one you've been praying for? The wiser you, the stronger you, the unshakable, unstoppable, elevated version of you. You're not being buried, you're being planted. And yes, it hurts. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but pressure creates diamonds. Fire forges gold. Storms make trees grow deeper roots. So when life gets hard, don't shrink, don't hide, don't give up on yourself. Pause, breathe, reset if you have to, but don't quit, because life is not just happening to you. It's happening for you. Even when it doesn't make sense yet, even when the healing hasn't come, even when the breakthrough feels far away, keep showing up. Keep believing that there's purpose in the pain. Keep trusting that something better is coming, because you're becoming something better too. You're not alone. You're not broken. You're not done. So the next time life gets hard, and it will, remember this: you've survived before, you'll rise again. And that's what is ahead of you is worth the fight. Hold on, you're stronger than you think.